Everyone has a different type of body shape. These body shapes can be classified into certain groups. Dr. Simran Saini tells us what are these groups and who falls under each one.
Basically, the Asian population can be distinguished into two basic body types. One is the apple shape and one is the pear shape. Most of the Asian females are pear shaped. As you will see, they have a slim structure on the upper front, but their bottom is broader in shape. While the Asian males are usually of the apple shape, that is, they have a very uniform body on the overall. Now, if you talk about the kind of obesities among them, that is again distinguished based on these body types itself. That is, you have a pear-shaped obesity where you have more obesity around the stomach at the bottom. This is sometimes also known as, there is the central obesity as it is known. The central obesity is basically the obesity at the abdomen. And you will see many of the men will have the central obesity. They will look like they are not very weighty on the overall or from their face, but their abdomens are really full of fat. On the other hand, for the females, post-pregnancy they have more of the pear-shaped obesity where they have little bit of central obesity but more of a very large bottom, heavy thighs, very heavy legs. And then apple-shaped obesity is a kind of obesity which is very severe or known as morbid obesity. That is where you'll see the person is fat on the overall. When you look at the person in the first stance, you can say that the person is obese or fat.
For more on weight management, log on to onlymyhealth.com.